Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you what to do if your PIN is not accepted on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Let's begin. Now, there are a couple of things that are probably happening here. The most probable one is the fact that you probably just forgot your PIN. But before we actually do that, let's simply reboot our device, just in case. We all know that rebooting sometimes helps. So, in order to reboot your phone, you want to press and hold power button and volume down button for a moment, and then you can hit restart. But you will notice that in order to restart our phone, we actually need to input our PIN. So that sucks. How can we do that now? Well, it's pretty simple. You want to press power button and volume down button once again, but now you want to keep holding. Maybe not the AI assistant. Let's try that once more time. Now we just ignore this screen. We keep holding until the screen goes black. And we should be good. Now we can wait for a moment until the Samsung will reappear itself. So we should see Samsung logo in any moment now, as you can see. And now our phone should restart. Now, will this help your issue? Probably not. Let's be honest, the most important thing that usually happens is that you have simply forgotten your PIN. That happens, we're just human after all, okay? So, what can you do then? Well, the best way for you is to probably perform a hard reset via recovery mode. Now note that this will remove everything on your phone. All data will be wiped, you won't have your images, you won't have your videos, you won't have your applications, your contacts, whatever. Unless, of course, you were a smart boy and have made your backup, usually using Google or something else. So, yeah, as you can see, the PIN is still incorrect. So, let's perform a factory reset. But before we do that, we have to take a USB cable, so sorry for that. And as you can see, I do have the USB cable. The other side of the USB cable is connected to a PC. I can't really show you this, but if you want to have an in-depth tutorial on how to enter recovery mode, I did record a video like that. But just so you want to know, you want to connect your phone to a PC or a laptop. It's very important because otherwise it will not work. Now, once we are connected, and as you can see, we are connected to our phone, the USB device is here and still doesn't working. You want to press and hold power button and volume down button and simply turn off your phone. Now when screen goes black, you want to release both fingers and now want to press and hold power button and volume up button at the same time. Now we keep doing that for a moment until Samsung logo appears, and then we want to remove our thumb while still holding our volume up button. This is incredibly important. And as you can see, it works. We are now inside our Android recovery system. So what you want to do then, you want to simply navigate using volume buttons into wipe data and factory reset and simply confirm via the power button. Now, personally, I'm not going to do that now, since I still have a couple of tutorials to record, but it should be pretty obvious now. You simply accept the wipe data factory reset, you say that yes, I do know what it means, I know that everything will be gone, and then you should be able to simply I forgot what I wanted to say. And then you should just go through the process of setting up your phone. And if you are not sure on how to do that, we also have a tutorial on our channel on exactly that topic. So yeah, that's all for this video. Though, as the last thing I want to mention, that if you still have some sort of troubles, even though the factory reset should resolve anything, I would also advise you to just visit your brand service center. In our case, it's probably some sort of Samsung shop or Samsung service. It really depends on your country, it depends on where you are. But you want to visit them with a proof of your purchase. That's very important, because if you don't show up with your proof of purchase that yes, I own this device, and you come to them talking, hey, I have this phone and the PIN it's not working, you might look like a thief, you know, they might think that you are a thief, so come there with a proof of purchase, just in case. Though I don't think it really should be necessary, since the factory reset itself should help. Though you will lose all of data, so yeah, that sucks. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.